Welcome everybody, I came by Rubey and we're back once again. Got a great topic on hand like we always do. And the topic on hand today is a little bit something different. We're going to go different today. Today we're going to talk about just uh, like spirituality, but a little bit off topic. We'll talk about breaking the routine. Every so often, even though as we try to always make ourselves better from within, so we could shine out forth, so that glow could flow, right? But as I came by, we always say, start from work within. And now, breaking the routine, I tell you, sometimes you gotta do it. Sometimes you just gotta do something that you love to do and that makes you feel alive again. Because sometimes we get in that zone, right? We get in the zone, and you know what I mean by that zone. It could be different to everybody. But example for me is that I just focused on the tasks at hand, what I gotta do, what I gotta accomplish, what I gotta work on myself, what I want to put out forth, what I want to get back in a good and positive way. All tons of stuff that go on, but sometimes you gotta just put the brakes on everything. Just let that mind be clear and do what you love to do. Now, don't go out there and do something and say, get in trouble and say, hey, I can't. My Rubey said, it's okay. No, no. But all jokes aside, do something that makes you feel alive again. And always remember from my other video, it doesn't have to entail anything with money, right? What is one video I said? Work with what you have or what you got, whatever's around you. It's as simple as, look, I'll give you an example. How about you have kids or whatever, right? Or you're a couple, whether you're the husband or you're the wife or whatever it may be in the relationship. And if you have kids or no kids, you send them away. And then you do a little surprise, like a little dinner date. Set it up, make it nice. What does that really cost you? Nothing, right? But with that other person, you would blow their mind. They'd be like, is something all right? Are you hiding something or not telling me something? Because you would blow their mind from what you just did. Because you thought and did something outside of the box, made someone else feel alive, maybe yourself feel alive. Maybe you want to go back into a hobby that you used to do or love and you stopped it. Maybe you had kids, maybe you got married, who knows what it is. Examples could go on and on. But the main purpose, what I'm saying is, get back to doing the things you love to do. And even if you can't try maybe one day a week, whatever it may be. Maybe sitting down listening to your favorite song in your room, or watching TV or your favorite show, whatever it may be. But it takes some little time for you, or really get out there and do something that really gets that blood pumping and makes you feel alive again. Little short video I just wanted to put out. Something different. And even though we're all here for a purpose and reason, sometimes you just need a little time for yourself and for the ones you love, and do something that you guys love to do together, or whether it may be by yourself or whatever it may be. Get back to truly who you are. I came by Rubey. Thanks for everybody, all my subscribers, and to everyone that has been checking out the videos. Truly is a blessing, and I wish you, whatever you choose, the most blessings in this world to you. Take care, guys and girls. Bye-bye.